Okay, so question 12. Cumulative frequency graphs. Lovely. Okay. So frequency table shows the distance traveled by 80 school teachers. I instantly know this is going to be 80. Cumulative frequency, we add all the frequencies up together. So 25, first value always goes into the first cumulative frequency row. Second is 25 plus 8, which gives us 33. Next one's going to be 15 plus 33, which is going to give us a beautiful 48. 48 add 12, 60. 10 add 60, 70. 5 add 70, 75. 3 add 75, 78. 2 add 78, 80. Okay, so give me 1 second. Damn. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my snipping tool. So I am, and I'm going to take a snippet of this bad boy. So I am. Oh Jesus! Like a lovely wee Christmas present there. If you're watching, Ethan, thank you very much. So it is. I haven't opened the present yet, but I just got something left up to me. Can't beat that now, can you? Let's take a stab at plotting this cumulative frequency plot. So I can. Give me 1 sec. Doodle-doo. So, right. So what we'll do, since it's less than 5, alright. Okay, this is the values that I have here. Okay, you're not going to see them, so you're not, but I have them on my other screen. Have them here. So I do. So what I'm going to do is it's 5 and I'm just gonna, it's 5 and it goes up to 25. So 5 up to 25 it'd be here. I'm just gonna do a dot and circle just to kind of show where the point is. Okay. Most examiners should be happy enough with that sort of technique. Okay, I'm only doing it because I'm on this tablet. Okay, so it's not always easy to see exactly where my points are. Alright, so 15 goes up to 48, so we're 15 and we're 48, so that'd be just here. Okay, which is absolutely lovely. Okay, have I plotted that in 15? I have indeed, yeah. Plot that in 10, yeah. Just looks like, yeah, that's the thing, sometimes it just looks weird. Okay, the next one is 20 and 20, we're going up to 60. So these are really lovely values to work with. Yeah, we don't even have to think about it too much. So we just have to plot what we've got. Then we've got 30. Yeah, right there, no, 25. I'm jumping ahead. So 25 is 70. Okay, so 70 here. Alright. 30 is 75. Okay, 75's up here. And 35 is 78. So 35 is 78. So we're just 2 here. And 40 is 80. Okay. So generally cumulative frequency graphs have some sort of type of S shape. We can kind of see the S shape here. So give me a sec. I'm going to try and draw this freehand, and again, I don't really recommend drawing this. It's hard to draw freehand on a tablet, so it is, but essentially this is our cumulative frequency curve here. Okay, it'll generally touch the y-axis. Okay, this is always our y-axis, this is always our x-axis, and it'll always kind of level out. Okay, up near the top. Excuse me. Okay. I've been eating too much. It's nearly Christmas, so I'm getting ready. Okay, so use the graph to estimate the median distance. Okay, so we have 80 values in total. Median is generally 80 divided by 2, which would be 40, so it'll be a 40th value. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm actually going to use our straight line tool here, and I'm going to go 40. Gonna go 40. We're gonna stop about here, and we're gonna come again. This isn't gonna be totally accurate, alright, because I'm on a tablet. So now I would say it kind of looks more along this line here, which would be about That would be about 12, 12 and a half. So this would be about 13. Okay, so I would say that our value, I'm just going to tap off of that. Yep. So I would say our value is going to be about 13 for the median. Okay, less than 13 miles. Okay, now that's what I would say. Um, Let me take a look. Yeah, and in terms of our distribution, more than half of our results are between 0 to 15. Yeah, so it kind of makes sense that we're around the 13 mark. So it would do. I would say 13. You could probably even get 14. So you could, okay, depending on how you draw your cumulative frequency curve. All right, any answer is pretty much acceptable so long as your cumulative, it's along your cumulative frequency curve in this sense, and it's not 10 or 20. You'd be all right. So it is anywhere between, it said 12.5 to maybe about, or 12 to maybe about 14 would be acceptable. So it would be okay. So let's move on to the next point. All right. So number of teachers who travel more than 27 miles. Okay. Well, if they travel more than, we're going to be looking at this half. Okay, so 27 and up. So again, I'm going to, instead of doing the draw tool, I'm going to use a different tool, the spline tool. Okay, so halfway here is 17.5. So 27.5 is here, and we'll go up to about here, and then here, and we'll go straight across. So it looks to me about. Now get me off this tool, please. It looks to me about 72. Okay, now again, we're interested in 27 miles or more. So we know that 72 people drive less than 72 miles, yeah? So they 72, they drive less than 72 miles, okay? I like to draw arrows to kind of represent what I'm talking about, okay? So actually the amount of people that drive more than 72 would be 80 minus 72, yeah? Which would just be 8, okay? Now depending on your cumulative frequency curve, it could be 73 you had going across, and that would be 7, so long as it's in line with your cumulative frequency curve. That's all that really matters, okay? So I'm going to put 8 in here for me, okay? And if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section below. Alright, and I'll see you in the next one.